Travis here with FastCap, and this is the hose holder. It's a really handy little accessory for all your small diameter vacuum hoses, whether it be Festool, Klein, Makita, whatever. Storage right on your vacuum. When you roll this guy up, try to set that somewhere it's always falling. You can screw one right to your vacuum, make a nice roll, and just clips right in there. It's nylon. FastCap's actually Nylomax, so it's super strong and durable. You can also heat it and flex it a little bit if you have a kind of odd diameter hose, but it's got enough flex to it that pretty much everything pops right in. You can see it even holds the cord for your Festool in there. So really nice storage. And then when you pop it out, it's even better for your workbench. So you can see it's got this little T-track on the side. So that allows it to go into a Festool MFT table, and you can put it in either upside down or right side up, or one both ways, and I'll show you why that can be nice. Or it's got 3 flats along it, and it's got screw holes on top and bottom, so you can easily screw it at any of 3 different angles to your workbench. You can also go vertical. So vertical is awesome because say you are doing a sanding job and want to grab your router or vice versa, you unplug this, you go to get your sander, always dropping this on the ground, bending over. No one wants to bend over and pick their vacuum hose back up from the ground. So with this guy, when you unplug it, it just snaps right in there. Move your tool aside, move your workstation, whatever. Grab your hose, it's right there, right where you need it, easy to go. Other nice thing is you can screw them on horizontally here. So here I have 2, and what I can do with this is I can get all my vacuum hose nice and tight up off the ground out of my way and clip it into this guy. And you can see upside down, it's nice and tight, that's not falling out on you. And then I got another one here, so I can have this much loose for when I'm sanding, and then if I want the hose out of my way, I can just clip it right there. Again, easy to use, so very versatile. If you're gonna buy one of these, I recommend you get like 5 because you're gonna want them everywhere where you're using your vacuum hoses. It's a great little product, hose holder from FastCap. Get yours today.